I can't imagine maturing!
Everybody's running like crazy.
Hennessy, your mom said to go back. They got a spot for you, girl.
Go, 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 go.
I'll put the umbrella, man.
All this branch is protecting me quite nicely.
Right there is umbrella. On the table.
Jonathan, I'm going to open that umbrella.
Go ahead, hurry
Go
up.
ahead, guys.
Go ahead, go open it. We'll meet you over there. You're still going to get wet.
Steal the umbrella, man.
If we go back to the car, I'm going to turn it on and I'm driving away.
Excuse me, can you let me borrow that?
You're never going to make me come back. Bobby! Where's he going?
Yeah. Look at that little kid running in the water.
Actually, very mad, bro.
I'm not getting wet, people. I'm good. Oh, that's water I'm feeling. No, he's not. Stand up for the water. Maddie, you're melting.
He's so cute.
Jonathan!